Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 17, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 28, and y equals 12.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 17 to x equals 28, the run is 11. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 12, the rise is 10.
Slope is rise divided by run, 10 over 11, which simplifies to 10 over 11. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 10 over 11, x1 is 17, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.